Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a product sent to me by Bandletic. It is a nylon strap watch band, basically compatible with Apple Watch Ultra, basically Ultra 2, pretty much anything from 42 to 49 millimeter, Apple Watch 1 through 9. I mean, pretty much fits everything. Doesn't really matter. I think it's pretty universal. Just have to decide the size you are. I took the large size, so it shouldn't be an issue whatsoever. This is how I got some different colors. Just wanted to show you. I have my watch here. I just want to put it on and just give you an example how they look and how they feel. Again, made out of high quality nylon, military grade. The hook and loop is amazing on these different things. So I'm just going to show you all the different colors that are in this package. I'm going to open up one at a time, put this to the side, and I'm going to just show you what I have. So what I have here is, first one is the military green. I love this a lot. I love this look. Very industrial looking, very, if you're into sports or rugged, anything at all, this is a really high quality, really, look at this. This is really a super strong band, adjustable, so super adjustable. As you can see here, the hook and loop works just like that there. Easy to use, easy to attach to your watch. And I just want to pull these out one at a time. I just want to show you these real quickly. And I like these quite a bit. Let me just show you the different colors that came in. That's really what I want to show you. Here's a black one, okay? Let me show you that. Let me show you all the different colors. And there's actually even more colors, I believe. Here's a gray one, which I love. And let's see. And the last one I have, put these to the side. Get these out of the way. And this cool orange one here. I love this. Is a cool one too. So here, 4 different colors. Just want to show you. And they all have that same high quality. This is all made out of metal here. Woven super strong. I love this look here. If you can see that, I love this look. And they'll fit pretty much, like I said, for any watch, 1 to Ultra. I mean, they'll fit pretty much at any watch. Just make sure you look the right size that you want. Okay, so they're super easy to install. I just want to show you here that, again, made out of high quality. This is all metal. Really, really nice. And you can see here how they are very easy to install. You just slide it right in until they snap in. You can see how they snap right in there. Really super easy. And this goes on the other side like this. And they lock right in, as you can see. Velcro is super easy to access. Just pull it open. You can see here. And all you have to do is slide it onto your wrist. Like this. And then you just adjust it to where you want. Just like that. And you can see here how cool that looks. I like that quite a bit. Very comfortable on the wrist. It's got a really good feel to it. I like all these different colors. Just super nice band. And this is not going to come off, which is really the main thing. You want to have that comfortability. You want something sturdy and strong. And that definitely does achieve it. You want it a little looser, you want a little tighter. You can make it as tight as you want right there. That is actually perfect for my hand. Look at that. That is actually, I like that. It fits really well. And really comfortable and really tough nylon. So now let's try the orange one. Now the orange one is kind of cool. I like this orange one. This kind of stands out. I like that quite a bit. Again, we'll just slide it on. Super easy to access, as you can see here. And again, that big hook and loop, really nice. I like that quite a bit. Slide it right on your wrist. And then you can adjust it. Like that. And there you go. Very cool again. Let's get that nylon woven here. I like that. This is really cool. Real tactical. I like that a lot. So this is really kind of cool. This is really awesome. This fits really well as well. Take that off. We'll call this standard black. And we'll just side this one on. Again, so you can see each one of these, how they look on me. Again, just pop that open. Slide it on. And I have an 8-inch wrist, just to give you an idea on the wrist size. Again, I think that's my favorite. I like the black one. I like this green one. I like this green one a lot. So you can see how it looks on my wrist. I like that a lot. Very cool. Again, easy to take on and take off. As you can see how super easy that is. And a hook and loop, you can just feel and dust how strong that is. I like that quite a bit. I'm going to try the green one on last to show you. And let's just see here. Pop it on here. Slide it this way. Like that. Again, just pop it off like that. Slide it on your wrist. Again, what I like about it, honestly, is that it's easy to access, easy to put on and off. Once you get it on here and latched in, you're good to go. And here's the green. The green is really cool. So my 2 favorites for me are the green and black, but you know what? I think they're all cool. I like the way they're made. It's got that military grade look to them, and they're super comfortable, super soft, and they're actually and they feel good. You know, you don't think they would feel good, but honestly, this nylon is soft. So it feels really great on the hand. I absolutely love it. Also, guys, I want to point out something here that's really important. A lot of people don't show that. You can see how when it covers the back, when you slide it in, it actually covers the actual button itself. That way it doesn't connect, and it actually makes it super like the watch is one with the band. So I wanted to make a close-up and just show you that how that just slides into place here and just covers up that latch and just slides right in. And that's super important. That really helps with the overall comfort of the watch. So it kind of makes it feel like it's all one piece. And I wanted to just make a close-up and just show you that, how that just covers up that button and really just forms the watch beautifully. That is really a nice detail and feature. And you can see the stitching in this thing is really, really well done. And if you're interested in purchasing them, there's a link in this description of this video. I do get a small commission, as you do know. This is how they support my channel. I do appreciate it. I want to thank this company for sending these out to me and just to show you what they look like and how the quality, I think, you're going to be happy with. Again, made out of metal, heavy nylon, industrial, strong, comfortable, flexible, and fashionable. And I think that's fantastic. I love that. So here's what I have for you. Hope you appreciate this quick review. Again, I'll leave a link down below. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. Let me know. Appreciate that as well. And there's a link down below. And if you're new to my channel, thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. That helps me quite a bit. I appreciate it. And I'll see you at the next review.